Hey everybody, I'm Tony and welcome to My Wildlife.
Come with me as I explore urban and abandoned areas. Take to the skies with drone footage. Explore the outdoors and the creatures that live within it. Follow me on scenic hiking trails, local and distant. Enjoy the wildlife work I do, which includes wolves and foxes, and my personal scaled critters.
So if any of that sounds awesome to you, please subscribe, like, comment, and share on all my videos. Let me know what you guys want to see more of, and I hope to get that content out to you guys. My name's Tony, and this is My Wildlife.